We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi.
This is perfect for a bow.
A bow?
Yes.
Bow and arrow? I've
Bow.
got arrows actually.
Really?
Yeah, I'll show you afterwards.
Okay.
Wow. I've just come up from the veggie patch and wow, the lettuces are looking fantastic. Anyway, I've just picked a little one just for me. I'm going to make myself probably a tuna salad. I'm on my own. The kids have gone now. Yala had to go to catechism. You know, they all get on with their things. And Massie's gone to work just for a couple of hours. So I've got to go make myself a nice tuna salad. Massie's been dying to cut down this figo di India for years. I think it's sad, but yeah, he is right. It is getting a bit too big. So it's gonna have to go. So this figo d'India, a prickly pear, couldn't think of the word.
Cactus.
Cactus, prickly pear, is at least 24 years old. I know because I planted it before my daughter was born. So it was really heartbreaking for me, but Massi was right. It was getting really big and we want to extend the little kitchen, you know, soon. And yeah, and have it a little bit bigger, and it was right in the middle. I think even the rosemary is going to be moved eventually. But yeah, I suppose it's area and lighter like this. But yeah, Massi's happy now, aren't you?
Yeah, pretty much.
So this
Wow.
is
Wow.
everything that we've cut down. Now this is such a difficult thing to get rid of because you can't just throw it
Crazy.
away. It multiplies as cactuses do, so we have to let it just dry out for a while, and then once it's all dead, I don't know what we're going to do. We burn it if we're able to. I'm not sure. Anyway, looks strange without it, but anyway, we'll get used to it, I guess. The next day we took away the green fence divider and it looked a whole lot better. Then I had to go to Belvedere. I parked the car and I looked outside and I thought, you know what, it is beautiful as it is in its tiny little imperfections. I just love Sicily. Then I went to Floridia and found this fantastic magnolia tree. Is it giving me a hint of spring? Oh, I do hope so. Buongiorno, I've just stopped off in front of our little local bakers and I'm hoping that they're going to have some typical carnival sweets, fried sweets, not very healthy but really good, and it's the only thing that I really like because I don't have a sweet tooth, and they're called chiacchiere. So let's go in and let's see if they have any. Questi sono con il cioccolato, giusto?
Sì.
C'è pistacchio? No.
No.
È semplice, ok. Right, just got home. Still haven't taken off my jacket because I have to go get changed and help Massi sort the wood out. But before I go, I just wanted to show you these chiacchiere. My goodness, they are so nice. So, I mean, I suppose you're going to see a whole lot of these with a whole lot of content creators because this is now, we're going into Carnival Week. And each region calls it something different. So in Sicily, we call them chiacchiere, which just means gossip, I suppose, chatting. And they are the best. And yeah, look at that. If I'm not mistaken, the ingredients is white wine and flour and whatever else they put in. Really nice. I'm gonna go help Massi. Take a break.
Yes.
Have a chiacchiera.
Chiacchiera. No, chiacchiera.
Mmm. Right, I'm gonna go get my gloves. Buongiorno. Very dark, cloudy day. Oh well, we've had a couple of nice days. And it rained last night, so at least the garden got watered. Our little robotic lawnmower is doing a brilliant job, sleeping in the little blue tent over there. Right, and we are on our way to a hospital, actually. I'll explain everything in a bit.
Yeah.
Look at such a beautiful building for a hospital. Even the hospitals are gorgeous. Look at that. Stunning. All done. Yep.
Ready?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Let's go grab a coffee.
Yes.
So we found a bar which is right in front of the court houses. And the funny thing is, I said to Massi, oh, this bar, all the hot shots go there. And do you know what the bar's called?
Elite Cafe.
elite. Let's go. So regarding the hospital appointment, absolutely nothing to worry about. It's just a yearly checkup that I like to have done and get it over and done with.
Sono fresche fresche, signora.
Buone. So we've nipped into a little secondhand store. It's really little. Now we're just going to give a little look around. We're going to just take a little look around. Oh gosh. Well, Massi hadn't been to Ortigia for months, so he was missing it and decided he wanted to go for a little bit of a drive around and just have a look at what the sea was looking like. And it was very, very wavy that day. Absolutely beautiful, the color of the sea, but very, very, very windy. Every time we come, we always notice something new. How could it be that we've never seen this building? Oh, Ortigia, we never, ever, ever get tired of seeing you. Come rain, sunshine, windy, whatever the weather it is always beautiful. The sea colors change constantly, but they always attract you. Anyway, lots and lots of tourists, even in winter. I've noticed that the pause for tourists, there's hardly ever a time when Ortigia is not full of tourists. And the best part about going out is coming home. There's nothing like coming back to your home and then just enjoying the peace, the warmth, and your animals. It's great. So today is a different day. It's quite cloudy and quite dark. I've asked Massi to light the fire for me, which he's done. Makes the whole house a bit warmer and more cheerful. So now, yesterday Massi bought a tap, a copper tap, which when I looked at it, I was like, no, Massi, it looks awful. It's all green and, you know, and he saw beyond the colors and everything. And he was like, let's just get it. And it was a bargain. It was 10 euros. When we got it home, I realized that the tap was actually French. So I'm really happy about that because I love anything like French countryside or, you know, brocantes or anything secondhand that has to do with the countryside. And I love all that aspect of the French. And so I was so happy. Anyway, now he's going to clean it all up for me. We've got this copper paste, which should bring it up nice and shiny. And then he's going to put it on, substitute the old tap that we have in the kitchen, which is now getting on. And we're going to pop that in our kitchen. All right, Mas, so you've tried, what have you tried?
Okay, I've been trying everything and I've come to...
Well, first of all, talk about what you tried. You tried salt.
So this metal cleaner is good, but it doesn't take off
the black stains.
The black stains. So what I'm doing now, I've got some sandpaper that's 1000 grit, which is really, really fine.
Yeah.
And it's taking off the black stains.
Wow.
After I've taken off the black stains, I'm going to polish it with a polish.
Yeah.
Which takes, it is very finely scratching it, but if you look when I do that.
But it's better than having all that black on it, I guess.
When I rub it, it takes off all the black
scratches.
Yeah.
And you did try salt and lemon like everybody said.
Yeah, it's not as effective as what this is. This is much more effective.
And then you might just go and get a little piece to your, what's it called?
I've got a little Dremel sander, so I'm going to actually go and see if I can get some 1000 grit sandpaper for it.
Well, if it comes out like that.
Look at that. As I'm going, you can see it's getting cleaner.
Brand new.
Look at that.
Lovely. Good luck.
Thank you.
So, of course, I ended up helping him. I couldn't not. It took us about an hour and a half to get it all nice and clean. And I am so happy that I listened to him and we bought it because it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks as if it's always been here. And that's exactly the look I like. Good news is that my sister and her family are coming over for Easter, and she ordered a few things that she needed. The delivery has arrived. The guys are now going, and it's up to me and Massi to build these things. It's just a sofa bed and a couple of mattresses that my sister wanted upstairs. Ortigia is currently hosting a special temporary event called Tulip Day. This pop-up installation brings a vibrant Dutch-inspired landscape to the historic heart of Syracuse, allowing you to enjoy the rare sight of thousands of tulips set against our ancient architecture.
Whee, look at that. Andiamo Rosy? Oh, yeah.
Ce ne manca un altro, faccio vedere quelli più belli.
Okay, so we picked 5 tulips each and we paid €8. Just the adults, the kids got in for free, but they weren't allowed to pick any tulips. Oh. Was it nice, guys?
Yes.
Primo gelato dell'anno, ragazzi. First seasonal ice cream. Yum.
Our lives revolve around the gentle rhythm of slow living, where family and small pleasures like eating an ice cream in a piazza take priority over any schedule. As their nonna, I always hope to be a safe harbor, a bridge to family history, a patient listener, and a source of joy to my 3 grandchildren, and make them feel valued and supported. Thanks again for watching this week's video. I hope it resonates with you somewhere and somehow. Take care, alla prossima!